If shook is what you're going for, we've got you. What? Revair. This is her, y'all. She's wrapped up. What is up, kings and queens? Oh my gosh, I haven't seen y'all in so long in this form with the backdrop. Like, can I get a round of applause for the backdrop being brought out of retirement? Like, I've been miss vlog, but now I'm sitting down. It's up close and personal, you know. This feels really good. Today's video is very, very special. It is brought to you by, can I get a drum roll, please? This box is so big. Revair. I have partnered with Revair, y'all. Do you know how big this is? I mean, not just literally, but it's a blessing to collaborate with Revair. Oh my gosh, I've been a fan of Revair for years, since they came out. So if you don't know, Revair is a company that has created, established the very first reverse hair dryer in the world. Like, this is the world's first reverse hair dryer created for all types of hair, all ages, all colors, all ethnicities, and it is amazing. It's gotten amazing views from over 2,000 people. It's rated 4.8 stars out of 5 stars by over 2,000 people's reviews. Do you know what that means? They're legit, okay? They're goated. Revair is goated. I know you've seen this logo somewhere. I know you've heard about them, or you know somebody, an influencer, your cousin, somebody has a Revair in their house, and I'm actually partnered with them. Like, oh my goodness, this means so much. Revair, I love you guys, and this is gonna be a great video because I'm a natural hair girl who does different hairstyles, and I often switch it up a lot. So I need my routine to be super duper easy. I need it to be stress-free, and Revair specializes in making your hair process very easy, stress-free, and also providing a lot of confidence for people who either don't have the confidence to do their hair or think that their hair is too coarse, too this, too that. No, listen, Revair gets the job done. So today I'm here to show you guys how well this new reverse air dryer works, and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for you guys. Make sure before you continue to watch this video, click the subscribe button and support my channel, because I specialize in all types of videos. You'll get a vlog here and there, you'll get a dance video, a tutorial, a day in the life, an unboxing, a review. This is a lifestyle and beauty channel, so make sure that you subscribe, kings and queens, and I want to see everybody do great. So I'm here to encourage you guys too, even if you're starting a new venture in life, or you have something that you've been wanting to accomplish, or you've been too scared to do it. I'm here to encourage you, just at least with my positive energy and me showing my face today, you know. Let's get into it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get it. We're gonna start with the unboxing. So here we have, we open the box. This box is so huge, y'all. Like, I think I'm gonna put another like a clip of like the box, because to hold it up, like, this box is heavier than me. The hookup for sure. I got the whole package. It's weighing me down. Okay, so I can't hold this box up, so I'm gonna be showing you guys. I'm gonna take everything out one by one and just, you know, go from there. This is the Revair carrying bag. I believe carrying bag, excuse me. This is the tote bag that you can carry the Revair in. Thank you, Revair. So I have somewhere to place my new and improved Revair blow dryer. Ooh, they gave me some goodies. So I have the compartment that goes inside of the Revair dryer. This is gonna collect all of the dust, you know, things that are inside the blow dryer, so that you can dump it out and keep it clean and that it works efficiently each time. Then we have these basket filler foam liners that also goes inside of the Revair. Then we got some clips. Yes. You always need clips, and I got a lot of hair, so I need to section off my hair. So this helps. Even if you don't have a lot of hair, you need to section it off to make it easier. So thank you for making my life easier. This is, I gotta open this up. It looks like a bonnet or something. Let's see. Yes. Okay, so this is what you wrap around your hair. Like, if say you just washed your hair, you wrap it around your hair so you can keep it all in one spot. And it's it has a button there, and it has this piece that you can just scrunchie on to the button. It's like a scrunchie piece, and boom, you wrapped up. I love that. I love it. They give me a lot of stuff, you know. This is the your goodies case. So all of your products, like my clips and everything, go in here. My goodie bag to keep all my Revair products together. This is the Revair spray bottle. And then also the Revair comb. I'm sorry. Y'all have no idea. Like, I've been a fan of Revair for years. Especially because I've been on a natural hair journey for about 5 to 6 years now. So I've been really busy, so I haven't really been keeping track. I don't know if it's 5 or 6 years, but at least it has to be at least 5 years. My hair is at least 5 years old of being natural. So I've always been looking for better ways to make my hair routine easier and quicker, and I just know they're the ones to make your life easy. Okay,
don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it.
Now let's get into the actual blow dryer. I'm about to take it out. Okay, in this Hello Beautiful box, I know she's in here. Let's open her up. Oh my god! Prepare to be amazed. If shook is what you're going for, we've got you. What? Revair! Y'all snap. They said,
I am shooketh. I am shooketh.
and when you open her, she got a barcode there. That's mad cute. This is so well packaged. If you're like a person who loves packaging, y'all need to go give Revair a 5-star online. They got 5-star packaging. This is mad cute. So this is her, y'all. She's wrapped up. So cute. Like, who puts this type of material over their products? Like, this material, that's fire. That's fire. That's fire. So this is the nozzle. Yes. This is crazy. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Yes. Look at her. Come on, nozzle. Come on, nozzle. Cute. So now the big boy. This is the big boy that does all of the work. Her right here. I love how they have, look, what's the name of this material? It looks like a stocking cap. It's stocking cap material, but they put it over the Revair. I'm gonna keep this because I want my junk to stay looking fresh for the rest of the time that I'm gonna have it, which is forever. But I want it to look fresh forever, so I think after every use I'm gonna put this stocking right back over it. It's like Christmas right now. This is her, y'all. So remember I told you they had the thing to keep everything that comes out of the dryer. So I have two, because they gave me one as a goodie, and then I have one that already comes with it. Cute! I actually want to straighten my hair. So I'm gonna see how straight my hair can get. Like right now it's in a puffy little afro at the top. But I want to straighten it out. So we're gonna do a before and after, see how well this works, and I just know I'm not gonna be disappointed. I'm almost 1000% sure. So let's get into it and see the results. I actually want to take this off because these lights, I haven't sat in front of lights in a long time, and I'm just hot right now. So the only time I'm in front of lights is when I'm performing on stage with Ashanti, and right now I haven't been in front of my ring light in so long because I just been vlogging. So this is like, you know, I'm hot. Y'all see all this hair that I have? Revair, you can handle this? Like for real, dog. The new Revair, because y'all know they improved the Revair. Like they have another Revair machine that's slightly different, so they improved this model, and let's see if this new model can handle my mane, my crown. Y'all, this means a lot to me because this is my first natural hair company collaboration. So I'm honored. When I say honored, I'm gonna give y'all an honest review because I'm actually using it right in front of you. So it's not like I'm not gonna give an honest review. I just want to let you know how passionate I am about natural hair and people loving themselves and loving their hair and learning how to work with what they have, you know. So we working with what we got, okay? I'm gonna do the best with what I got. Oh!
I'll do the best I can with what I got. Oh!
Yes! So, okay, enough of me chatting. Let's do this. Boom. So now I'm gonna take this piece and we're gonna start there. Alright, so now that section is disentangled, this is the little bit of hair that came out. Keep in mind, I haven't washed my hair in like 2-3 weeks because I've been performing and everything, traveling, doing a lot of gigs. So my hair has a lot of shed hair that, you know, needs to come out. So that's not abnormal or anything. But I'm going to take this section and put it in the dryer and let's see how straight it gets. Take that off and connect that, twist it, and once you hit that lock, you're good. y'all, look at this. That is super duper straight. Wow. Compared to the rest of this hair, like, compared to this, let me pull a piece so y'all can really see. Look at the difference. Look at this piece, right? And then look at this piece. Wow, look like my hair grew a couple inches. Boom. And boom. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Wow, that's awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do half of my head, and then it speaks for itself. Do y'all see me right now? Like, this is all Revair. This is all Revair. This may not look like tamed hair, but in my case, because I have thick, full, curly hair, this is tamed to me. Okay, I can comb through it. It's like easy to manage right now. By the way, this is the Revair comb that I use, and don't be alarmed by the hair in here. Like I said in the beginning of the video, my hair hasn't been touched in almost a month. It's been weeks, so my hair has shed hair that needed to come out. So this is amazing, amazing results. Like, I'm not mad at this. I was going for a blown out look, and I wanted to see how straight it could get my hair, and Revair, baby, Revair. Wow, this is beautiful. It really helped out the process. I love doing my hair. Number one, doing my hair is very therapeutic, so having it be therapeutic and easy and stressless, not stressful, that was like top 10 experience. I give Revair a 10. My cat is making so much noise. But yes, I give you guys a 10. To anyone that wants to upgrade their hair experience, their hair journey, and their hair routine, I suggest that you please invest in yourself. Invest in your hair. Your hair is a part of you. Just how you would invest time into things that probably don't suit you, is a great investment. And I believe that everyone that has hair should get it. Y'all see my results. My hair looks full. It made my hair look fuller. It made it very manageable. I'm able to comb through it. I'm able to run my hands through it. So y'all, here it is. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you all are doing everything that you love and enjoying life. Make sure that you're staying focused, pouring into yourself, and showing others love. Do a kind deed per day if you can. because we're not here for long, but we're here for a good time. So cherish every day, give gratitude, make sure you remind yourself that you are blessed, bright, and beautiful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Poppy, say hello to the camera. Hello, Papa. Say Revair, we love you. Revair. Poppy, look up. You see them? Say, I love Revair. Revair does the job for my mommy. Yes, good job. Oh, he like y'all.